Good morning, students. As you are aware that because of this COVID-19, your final semester examination of Savitribai Phule Pune University was postponed or was cancelled. But recently, 2 days before, court has given an judgment that you will have to appear for an theory exams. The mode of this particular exam will be communicated to you by the university, by the college in the upcoming time. But till that time, we are going to revise the whatever the portion what you are going to appear for this last 8 semester. Okay, so you are aware about the structure of an B Mechanical 2015 course pattern. Already you had studied hydraulics and pneumatics, CAD/CAM automation, dynamics of machinery, elective 1 and elective 2 in your first semester. Then you have uh, you were studying energy engineering, mechanical system design, elective 3, elective 4 in the last semester, out of which we are going to discuss through this particular mode one subject, that is nothing but the elective 3, whose code is 402049, and the course teaching scheme for this is 3 lectures, 2 practicals per week. Okay, in semester examination already you had appeared for this particular examination. Term work marks are already being sent. Only the thing is, for this 70 marks you are going to appear for the examination, and for that elective 3 you have two different electives. One is tribology, another one is electric industrial engineering, and third one is the robotics. For this you are going to have the practical also, and the write-up of this already you had submitted, and its term work marks are going to be submitted. In elective 4 you had advanced manufacturing processes, solar and wind energy, product design and development, PDD. That is what it is. So through this mode, we are going to discuss about the industrial engineering subject. We are going to revise the few topics of an industrial engineering. It is also yet not clear for all of us, including you and we as a teacher, that what will be the syllabus for this particular examination. But tentatively, what circular we had got from the university, it is clearly stating that till March, whatever portion is being taught, that will be there for the uh, examination. So till March, you had appeared for the your in-semester examination. So considering the in-semester examination, you had appeared for first 3 units for the in-semester examination. So here also we will revise those 3 units only, isn't it? In case of any doubt, in case of any query, you can contact me so that your query will be answered. Examination point of view, if you have any query, that also you can ask, but the clarity is also not with us. because university is going to declare their schedule within 1 or 2 days. So as soon as we get any sort of information as far as the exams are concerned, then we will be in touch with you. Okay. Right now, we are going to discuss about the syllabus of an industrial engineering. Okay. So this is what is the syllabus structure of an industrial engineering subject. This is nothing but the course code of your subject 402049B, and the name of the elective is industrial engineering, which is elective 3. The considering the prerequisite, it does not require, this particular subject does not require any prerequisite. If we discuss about the course objectives of this particular subject, it is nothing but the to introduce the concepts, principles, and framework of the contents of the industrial engineering, to acquaint the student with the various productivity enhancement techniques, to acquaint the students with different aspects of production, planning and control, and facility design, to introduce the concepts of various cost accounting and financial management practices and applied in the industry, to acquaint the student with different aspects of human resource activities and industrial safety rules, to acquaint students with different sir to acquaint students with different aspects of simulation modeling for various industrial engineering applications. Then, if we consider the course outcomes, are nothing but the on completion of the course, you are going to understand, or you will be able to apply the industrial engineering concepts, understand, analyze, and implement different concepts which are involved in the method study, design and develop different aspects of work system and facilities. You will be able to understand and apply industrial safety standards, financial management, financial management practices. You will be able to undertake project work based modeling and simulation area. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you so much. All the best.